Hello guys, in this video I'll be creating a simple Python script for password generation. I have created a new project in PyCharm and created a directory under that. Then let's create a new Python file. Let's call it pass generation generator. Pass generator. Okay, password generation is easy. We just need a list of characters, and we'll use randomly pick few characters from that and append it to a string. That's it. So for that, for random picking of characters, we'll import random. For the list, for now I'll just provide the list of 5 characters: B, C, D and E. For the length of the password, I'll hard code it to 5. Now in a for loop for in the range of n, and to store the password I'll just call it password. For now it's an empty string. Okay, in the for loop we'll append password plus equals random.choice. Random.choice returns and single character of the list every time. Every time it's called, it returns a random character or a random item from the list. So we'll just send in the list called cats. Let's print the password. Let me run it. Okay, it's returning some random 5-letter characters. Each time I run, it's changing. Okay, for now it's just lowercase letters, but password do include uppercase letters, digits, symbols. No, for that we can't write a list of characters for everything. So for that we'll import string. String contains all the characters, all the items that we need to for password generation. Okay, we'll just delete that cats. We'll create a variable called lower. Let lower contain all the lowercase letters. So we have string dot ASCII lowercase. Okay, I'll just print it out and show you what it contains. Lower, we commented out this one. Let's run it. Okay, so you can see here it returns a string of all the lowercase letters. Similarly, we can use uppercase, symbols, punctuations and everything. So we'll just create a variable to store all the strings. So upper will be string dot ASCII uppercase and digits equals string dot digits, and for the symbols equals string dot punctuation. Okay, for now it's all in a separate variable. We need to find a method to mix all this. Okay, for that we'll introduce a new thing called strength. The strength of the password is known for everyone. It's like big password contains lowercase, medium contains uppercase, lowercase and few digits. Strong, it contains everything. So we'll just take the option from the user to generate what kind of password he requires. Okay, before that we'll take the length of the password from the user. We'll just give a statement called enter the length of the password. So enter the length. We are converting it to a typecasting it to int. Then we'll print enter the strength gth. Okay, then store it in opt. Okay, we need to specify 1 is for weak, give a tab, 2 is medium, another tab, 3 is strong. Okay, we'll get the input from the user, end of input, and we'll check the if it is 1. Okay, we'll just need lowercase. Okay, for that we'll introduce chars. Chars contain all the characters that we'll be using for the password. We'll just store it in chars. Chars will just contain lower. If it is medium, that is, if it is 2, option is 2, chars will contain lowercase and the uppercase. Next, if it is 3, chars will contain lowercase plus uppercase plus digits plus symbols. Okay, next we'll just give an else statement, else invalid option. Okay, for we'll include this in a loop. We'll just introduce a boolean variable done as false while not done. We're doing this, then we'll change the done to true. I'll just copy this one, and similarly here also paste it. Okay, uncomment this one. Okay, now everything is done. We'll take in the length of the password, then we'll enter the strength, then the for loop it randomly picks random characters from chars and print the password. Okay. Let's run it. Enter the length 9, a medium password. Okay, it's combination of both uppercase and the lowercase. Let's try it for strong. Length is 9, strong. Yeah. Okay, let's minimize the code now. Let's try, instead of the for loop and with random.choice, what we're gonna do is I'll just cut this one, delete the for loop. Instead of choice, we'll use sample. Sample does the same thing as the for loop with choice. Okay, it returns a list of characters in a singleton. The choice returns a single character in a singleton, but this returns a list of characters of length n. So we'll just provide n, and this returns a list, so we just need to convert it into string. We'll use join. I'll just show you what it returns. Print random.sample of this one. Copy, paste. Okay. Now let's run this. Length is 9 and strong password. Okay, see, it's returning a list of characters. So here we converted into a string and then appended it the password, and here's the password. Okay, for this is the end of the video, but in the next video we'll improve this script by creating a GUI application.